Welcome to Contour Luxury Homes. Today we are touring a beautiful two-story Airbnb house sitting on 1-acre piece of land located in Muranga County, Kenya. This Airbnb boasts of a modern architectural design that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. This Airbnb is a perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and eco-friendliness. The beautiful garden found in the compound is truly a sight to behold. The garden has been meticulously maintained and well manicured to ensure that it remains in top condition throughout the year, regardless of the season. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, the garden also offers ample space for various outdoor activities, such as barbecues, picnics, and other social events. With its sprawling lawns and well-positioned seating areas, it's the ideal spot for enjoying the outdoors with friends and family. You can bask in the beauty and serenity of the garden while enjoying a delicious meal, playing games, or simply lounging in the sun. Truly, the garden is a hidden gem in the compound that is sure to impress and delight all who visit. One of the unique features of this Airbnb is that it is 100% powered by solar energy. This means that guests can enjoy all the modern amenities and conveniences without having to worry about harming the environment. The solar panels are strategically placed to capture the maximum amount of sunlight, which is then converted into clean and sustainable energy to power the entire house. The house boasts a beautiful and modern downstairs living area, complete with tasteful furnishings and plenty of space for relaxation and socializing with guests. The sitting room, with its inviting ambiance, is the perfect place to unwind after a long day. Beyond the sitting room lies a well-appointed open-plan kitchen and dining area, complete with all the latest appliances and conveniences, including a refrigerator, microwave, and oven. The kitchen is perfect for preparing meals, while the dining area, with its large table that seats up to 10 people, is ideal for hosting dinner parties and other gatherings. In addition to the lovely living area and kitchen, the downstairs of the house features 2 comfortable and well-appointed bedrooms. The first bedroom is a cozy single room that even has its own exit door, providing easy access to the outdoors. The second bedroom is a spacious twin room, perfect for sharing with a friend or family member. Both bedrooms are self-contained, ensuring maximum privacy and comfort for guests. On your way to the second floor, you'll be greeted by a beautiful wooden staircase. The spacious lounge area on the second floor is the perfect place for relaxing and entertaining guests. The host told us that the furnitures for this space are currently being worked and will arrive in a month's time. From the lounge area, you can access the master bedroom, a third bedroom, a bathroom, and an office. The lounge area connects to the master bedroom of the house on the right, which has a king-size bed and a private balcony that offers stunning views of the surrounding countryside. The large closet provides ample storage space for all your belongings. The ensuite bathroom is equipped with all the amenities you need to pamper yourself during your stay. The third bedroom is perfect for families or groups of friends. It has a single bed and a double-decker bed that can accommodate up to 5 people. Next to the third bedroom, we meet the second-floor bathroom, which is sandwiched between the bedroom and the office. The shower is spacious and features a rainfall shower, providing a luxurious bathing experience. The office in this floor is the perfect space for digital nomads or anyone who needs to work remotely. It has 2 computers with high-speed internet and a comfortable desk and chair. The fast Wi-Fi connection is available throughout the house, making it easy to stay connected and productive. As you climb the stairs to the third floor, you'll be amazed by the state-of-the-art gym that awaits you. The gym is designed to cater to fitness enthusiasts of all levels and is equipped with a wide range of modern equipment and facilities that will help you stay fit and healthy during your stay. Whether you're an experienced gym goer or just starting out, you'll find everything you need to achieve your fitness goals. But the gym isn't the only exciting feature on this floor. Just outside the gym, you'll find yourself on a very big terrace that can be used by guests to host parties and other events while staying in the house. The terrace is a perfect spot to unwind and relax, with stunning views of the surrounding area that will take your breath away. This beautiful Airbnb is now available for booking at booking.com and all other accommodation renting websites under the name Birds and Crickets Home. Come and enjoy our stunning gardens, eco-friendly amenities, and luxurious living spaces. Book now for an unforgettable stay.